Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer payments to Target RedCard credit account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer payments to your Target RedCard credit account, start by logging into your Target account online. Visit the official Target website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your username and password, then click Sign In to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section. Look for the Target RedCard option and click on it. You will see an overview of your RedCard account, including your balance and payment options. Select the Make a Payment button to begin the transfer process. You will have several payment options available. Choose the method you prefer, such as a debit card, checking account, or bank transfer. If you select debit card or checking account, enter the required information, including the account number and routing number. For debit card payments, you will also need to provide the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. After entering your payment information, specify the amount you wish to transfer. Review all the entered details to ensure they are correct. Once verified, click on the Submit Payment button to process your transfer. A confirmation screen will appear, indicating that your payment has been successfully submitted. You may receive a confirmation email detailing the transaction. Finally, log out of your account for security purposes. Your payment will be applied to your Target RedCard credit account shortly, typically within a few business days. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.